Today, we begin choosing the most remarkable freshman class in Princeton history.
I am an admissions officer. It's what I'm good at.
I've decided to retire, and nothing would make me happier than if one of you could have this office next year.
As a mother myself, I know the importance of teamwork.
And I am not a mother, but I know the importance of it too. Can you just watch the kids? Me? I'm the last person you want watching your kids. That's against the rules, Henry. Is that applesauce? Hello.
Is this Portia Nathan?
Yes?
It's John Pressman from the new Quest School. I'd like for you to visit our campus.
Can you please email me and I will call you back?
Hey, not so rough. How'd you like to have your udder yanked like that?
Excuse me? So let's get to it. I'm sorry, are you a senior?
No, I'm in 6th grade.
Portia, this is my son, Nelson. Love you, buddy.
Okay, Dad.
So you're just a single dad traveling the world with his kid doing good?
I have that on a t-shirt, actually.
I'd really like to introduce you to somebody. This is Jeremiah Balaki.
And I'm not really your typical student. My brain sort of goes on a little walkabout.
He's a prodigy. Portia, I know this is all a bit abrupt, but I think maybe Jeremiah's your son.
Are you out of your mind? You need to leave now.
Jesus!
No means no. Mom, put the gun down. I got pregnant in college, and I didn't think I could be a mother, ever.
You are not a student.
Hi, I'm from admissions, and we like to check on our high school visitors. So, are you warm enough?
I'm fine, thanks.
Did you remember to bring your toothbrush?
I know you didn't ask for this, but I care about this kid.
This is the worst transcript I have ever seen.
Portia, you didn't mean to put high consider, did you?
He was a lost kid, and then he was found.
I forgot you're in a very fragile state.
Maybe you'd like to step outside and see how fragile I am. Only kidding.
You wanna go out sometime?
Yes.
I mean, with me.
Oh, yes.
This parenthood thing. What am I doing wrong?
There's no one best way to do it, or so I have gathered with my vast experience reading personal essays.
Hey, Portia, are you gonna be my mom?
What?
Just messing with you.
I am an admissions officer. There's nothing improper going on here.